Namaste students. Students, after the time and calendar lesson, I will go for another one chapter, that is shapes and patterns. So it is 10th lesson. Okay, students, what is meant for shapes? Shapes ಅಂದ್ರೇನು? Shapes ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ? So we can observe that we see the around the in our area or your see in your places, different places, observe that. So we can see some shapes. Okay, so what are the shapes we have to observe? Okay, window, it is one of the shape. Then your computer, your mobiles, and then your table. Okay, then it is your duster. So in your textbook, so textbook, it is also one of the shape. Textbook. Then so ball, then clocks, then road, then so in your plates. Okay, home and your so in your green board. Okay, chalk pieces, they having different shapes. Okay, so what type of shapes we have to see that? Guruji, first shapes ಹೆಸರು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ತಾನೆ ನೀವು ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾವನ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಸೊ ಅವು ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು. We can learn the shapes. We can learn the shapes. Look at that. So in the exercise, sorry, in the 113, look at this figure. So count and write how many. Count and write how many. Okay, now look at that. It is a one figure. So what type of in the two four sides, it's four sides, equal number of sides it is. Look at that. So four side, it is a, so in our matchbox size, so it is a matchbox size. So look at that matchbox size. How many are there? So and then longer sides are all called then triangle and then circle, square, rectangle, then triangle, and then so circle. So how many are there? So we should write it. So how many are there in the square? One, then another one, one, uh, yes, only one square is there. One, then another one, two, two, totally two. Then rectangle, how many? One, two, 1 2. Okay, so two rectangles, two squares. Then triangles, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So there different shapes are there. So we should count and write it. So here triangles, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So we can having, so these are the triangles. So circles, how many? 1 2 3 4 5. So we can observe that. So we can observe the shapes and count it how many are there. So now look at that. Name the shapes of the following. Guruji, ball, it is a ball. Ball, what type of shape? So it is a circle shape. Ball, it is circle shape. Then it is then it is, okay, then it is a triangle shape, three-sided shape. Then it is eraser, it is a rectangle shape. Then wheel, it is a circle shape. Then another one, what is it? It is bus, it is a rectangle shape. Then book, it is also a rectangle shape. Another one is oval shape. Then it is the paint, it is a square shape. It is the square shape. So Guruji, how to find out the square shape? So how to find out the, look at this. This is a triangle. I will show that. This is a triangle shape figure. So look at that triangle shape. How many sides are there having? Triangle means, so having three sides. One, one, two, three. One, two, three. Three sides having, it is a triangle. So okay, so now another one is rectangle. Look at this rectangle. So rectangle having four sides are there. One, two, three, four. Totally four sides are there. Guruji. So what about in the, what is the, look at that. It is a rectangle. So now look at that. Another one is square. So square having all sides are equal. All sides. So look at how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 sides are there. What is the difference of rectangle and square? So look at that. It is a rectangle having opposite sides are equal. Though two, these two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. Okay, opposite sides. These are opposite sides. These opposite sides are equal. And then here square having all sides are equal. It is a all sides are equal. Here also four sides are there, but all sides are equal. Alla sides equal ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ಒಂದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲ sides equal. ಗುರುಜಿ ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್, ಇದು ಯಾವ shape? It is a rectangle shape. It is the rectangle shape. Okay, so we can write, ಗುರುಜಿ what is meant by side? ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ side ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Side ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Okay, then ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುವು, ಸೊ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುವು, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇಟ್. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಏನೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇಟ್ ನಾವು. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಕಲ್ಕಂತ ಬರೋಣ. ಏನೇನ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಯಾವ್ದಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಡ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಡೈಲಿ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಕಾಯಿನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಶೇಪ್. ಕಾಯಿನ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್. Then bangles also it is a circle shape. Then duster, it is a, what is the shape? Duster, it is rectangle shape. Then next, so books also rectangle shape. Shapes. Now I will go for now write the plane shapes. So shapes having two types of shapes which are there. First one is plane shapes, another one is, what is it? Another one is solid shapes. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಟೂ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಟೂ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟೂ ಮೆಜರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ two things. Which are the two things? Here sides and corner. And then solid shapes having three measures. So we measure three things. Okay, so first we can learn plane shapes. ಗುರುಜಿ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತವೆ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Okay, let us go for plane shapes. Okay, so you have to write it here. So one example I will give that. Okay, look at the board, students. I have written some points. You have to read and then learn it. Okay, so here I am already told sides and corner. Okay, what is meant by side? Side, a surface. So it is a one surface. Okay, or line forming a border. So line forming a border. It is a forming a line. Is it right? This line we can call it as what? This line we can call it as side. So a line forming a border. In that border having a line. Is it right? Line. So these lines are called as sides. These lines are called as sides, are also called as edges. So we can also call it as edges. So look at this. This is a surface of a, this is one surface. It is a solid surface. We can call it, it is solid figure. Okay, so it is a square. So we get the face of the square. So edges. So we can edges of the, so border of the line forming a border. So this border we can call it as line. So how many sides of this? How many sides of the square? The square has four sides. Look at that. Four sides. And then, so corner. What is meant by corner? Corner means a point where the sides of the plane figure meet. So where is the plane figure? Sides are meet. Here meet it. Here meet. Here meet. Here meet. So the two, the point where the sides of a plane figure, in this plane figure, the meet at a point. So we can joining edges. The joining the edge points we can call it as, meet at a point is called as corner. Idanna corner anta heltivi. How many corners are there? Four corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that points are called as corner. So keep in mind, once again I will repeat that this is a one complete figure. Is it right? This complete figure having, this is called as side. This is called as side. This is called as corner. So we can call it as to be corner. ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಎಡ್ಜಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಿಗರ್. We measured only two things. Which are the two things? We can call it as sides and corners. We have to measure. How to measure? So Guruji, so square, how many sides are there? Square having 1, 2, 3, 4. We measure 4 sides. And then how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4 corner. 4 corners. Then rectangle. So it is a rectangle. What is it? So here square having all sides are equal. All sides are equal. ಏನು changes ಇರಲ್ಲ. Okay. Then here rectangle, it has 4 sides. Same. It has 4 sides. Look at this. 4 sides. It is also one side. It is a border of the line. So 2, 3, 4. Totally how many sides? It has 4 sides. And then how many corners? Look at this. Here 1 corner, here 2nd, here 3, here 4 corners. It has 4 sides and 4 corner. Then so here opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides ನನಗೆ opposite ಯಾರು? ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರೋ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನನಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ, ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಇದು, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಇದು. Okay, so these are the opposite sides are equal. These are opposite sides are equal. So that's called as rectangle. ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ದೊಡ್ಡವು ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಚಿಕ್ಕವು ಇರ್ತವೆ. So those are called as rectangle. Two sides are small, two sides are longer. So that's are called as. Okay, we can look at the door shape. Door shape, it is a rectangle shape. Okay, then your table. Okay, study table or it is table, so it is a rectangle shape. Okay, then your blackboard, it is a rectangle shape. Then your notice board, that is also a rectangle shape. Okay, then so we can observe the different objects. So look at that. So those are rectangle shape. So two smaller sides and 2 longer sides are called as rectangle. Then look at that, another one, it is a triangle. Triangle means having 3 sides. Look at that. So 3 sides means 1, 2, 3. So how many corners? 1, 2, 3. So it has 3 sides, 3 corner. It has 3 sides and 3 corner. So look at that. It is a triangle. Guruji, 4, 4, 3, 3. Okay, 3 corners. Here 3 corners. Here 3 sides. Observe that it is a last figure. Observe that it is a last figure. Circle and oval. Circle, it is a round shape figure. Completely round. ನೀವು ಜಾತ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಟಗಳನ್ನ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ರೌಂಡ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಟಗಳನ್ನ ಆಟ ಆಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ದೆನ್ ಸೊ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? ನೋ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನೋ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್, ನೋ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ನೋ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್, ನೋ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೋ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್. Okay, so no sides. So it is a oval shape. It is a egg shaped figure. It is a oval. So it is also a no corners, no sides and no corners. No sides and no corners. No sides and no corners. Okay, so this is the plane shapes. These are the plane shapes. So okay, so it is like a egg shape. So what is that? It is the egg like shaped. So it is a egg shaped like. Okay, so now, so these are the plane shapes. So we can also call it as 2D shapes. D means dimension. D means dimension. Two dimensional figures. Two dimension means, so we measure. Dimension means ಅಳತೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So we measure only two things of measures. So we measure only sides and corners. We can also call it as corner having vertex ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್. ಈ ತರ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಲೈನ್. That is called as side ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, or we can also called as edge ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Then a point where the sides of a plane figure meet. In the plane figure ಅಲ್ಲಿ meet ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ joining points, ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಆರ್ ವರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so you can read this. Okay, identify the given objects and complete the table. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಶೇಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಇದಾವೆ, ದೆನ್ ಚೆಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್, ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್. ದೆನ್ ಟೈಮ್, ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, ದೆನ್ ವೀಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್, egg, then book, paint. So then different objects are there, so we can, so which are the objects having, so we can find out. Okay, so then this is your, so today I will give the homework. So name the shapes of the, so we can observe that. So plane shape ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಇದಾವೆ, shape ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. So page number 113 and 114. So observe the, read that shapes and patterns. So today you have to write one time this one ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರೆದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬರೆದು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ಸಿದೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು. ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಕಾರ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದಾವೆ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲಾನು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ today's shapes and patterns concept. Okay, now I will give the homework to send the WhatsApp group, so you have to solve that. Okay students, dhanyavad.